How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking.
What's your name?
My name is John.
Where are you from?
I'm from New York.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a graphic designer.
Have you been to any interesting places recently?
Yes, I just got back from a trip to Paris. It was amazing.
How's the weather today?
The weather is quite nice today, sunny and warm.
What's your favorite hobby?
I really enjoy playing the guitar.
Did you watch the game last night?
Yes, I did. It was an intense match.
Have you read any good books lately?
I just finished The Great Gatsby. It was a fascinating read.
How's your family doing?
They're all doing well, thanks for asking.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food, especially pasta and pizza.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely more of a night owl. Mornings are tough for me.
Do you have any upcoming travel plans?
Yes, I'm planning a trip to Thailand next month.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I like to relax at home or hang out with friends on weekends.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max. He's a Labrador.
What's your dream job?
I've always wanted to be a marine biologist and work with dolphins.
How do you stay in shape?
I go to the gym a few times a week and also enjoy jogging in the park.
What's the last concert you attended?
I went to a Coldplay concert last month. It was an incredible experience.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I prefer tea, especially herbal teas.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall season because of the cooler weather and beautiful foliage.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I do. I like trying out new recipes in my free time.
Have you ever met any celebrities?
Yes, I once met Tom Hanks at a charity event.
Are you more introverted or extroverted?
I'm more of an introvert. I enjoy spending time alone or with a small group of close friends.
How long have you been living in this city?
I've been living here for about 5 years now.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to a wide range of music, but I'm a big fan of classic rock.
What's the best trip you've ever been on?
The best trip I've been on was a backpacking adventure through Europe.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister named Emily.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I like to have a small gathering with close friends and family.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
I remember spending summers at my grandparents' farm. Those were some of the best times.
Do you have a favorite quote?
The only way to do great work is to love what you do. It's by Steve Jobs.
What's your favorite board game?
I really enjoy playing Monopoly with friends.
What's the last movie you saw in theaters?
I watched Avengers: Endgame last weekend. It was epic.
Are you a dog person or a cat person?
I'm definitely a dog person. I love their energy and loyalty.
How do you handle stress?
I like to take a walk or practice deep breathing to calm myself down.
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
I went skydiving once, and it was an exhilarating experience.
Do you have any favorite sports teams?
I'm a big fan of the New York Yankees in baseball.
What's your favorite dessert?
I can't resist a good chocolate lava cake.
Do you enjoy going to art galleries or museums?
Yes, I love exploring art galleries and learning about different artists.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use Instagram a lot to stay connected with friends and see interesting photos.
How do you like to spend your evenings?
I usually unwind by reading a book or watching a TV show.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I can play the piano quite well, though not many people know about it.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I enjoy going for hikes in nature. It's a great workout and refreshing.
What's the best piece of advice you've received?
Always be true to yourself. My grandmother used to tell me that.
What's your favorite type of dance?
I love salsa dancing. It's so energetic and fun.
Do you enjoy traveling alone or with others?
I like both, but there's something liberating about solo travel.
What's the last thing you do before going to bed?
I usually read a few pages of a book to unwind.
Are you a fan of outdoor activities?
Yes, I enjoy hiking, camping, and biking in the great outdoors.
How do you handle disagreements with friends?
I believe in open communication and trying to understand each other's perspectives.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I really enjoy practicing yoga. It helps me relax.